Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Ubisoft account to Steam. Let's get started. Open the Ubisoft Connect app. Once it opens, you'll need to log in with your Ubisoft account. If you don't have an account yet, there should be an option to create one on the login screen. After logging in, you'll see the main screen of the Ubisoft app. Now, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Find your profile and click on it. When your profile page opens, look for the Settings option and click on that. On the Settings page, look again at the left-hand side. Find and click the section called Other. In this section, there's a part called Account Linking. You'll see a checkbox that says something like, "Remind me of account linking next time I launch a Steam game." Make sure this box is checked. After that, you can click the Close button. Next, you need to completely close the Ubisoft app. Don't just minimize it, make sure it's fully closed. After that, if Steam is running on your computer, go ahead and close that too. Now, reopen Steam. Once Steam is open again, go to the top left corner and click on Library. This will show all the games you own. From the list on the left side, find any game that is made by Ubisoft. Click on that game and launch it. When the game starts, a new window should appear. This window will ask if you want to link your Ubisoft account to your Steam account. Go ahead and confirm this. After you do that, the two accounts will be linked together, and that's all you need to do. Thanks for watching.